Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I get my short locks into a high ponytail. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm wearing this bandana because I was at the gym and I like to wear bandana when I go to the gym sometimes. The first thing to do is just shake out your hair. These are 5-day-old pipe cleaner curls. What I discovered is that since my hair is short, it's a lot easier to do a high ponytail versus a low ponytail. A low ponytail requires longer hair going back. A high ponytail doesn't. So if your hair is my length, I'm almost shoulder length. My hair is curled right now, but my hair at the back touches my shoulders. My hair at the front touches my chin. And I am about a week away from being 3 years locked, so make sure to stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel so that you can see my 3-year locked update. We're gonna go all the way back to the beginning and replay my lock journey so far. But let's get into how I do this. All you're gonna need is a really stretchy hair elastic, and it's really soft. It's like kind of thick, and then a couple of bobby pins. The first step is to just flip your hair upside down and grab all of the hair, okay? And then wrap your hair elastic around once. Make sure to pull it down a little bit. Okay, then this happens, but we're gonna fix that. Bobby pins are essential, and then you just kind of fluff it out how you want it. And that is literally it for this high ponytail. I'm so happy that I can finally do this. This is why I'm debating, like, do I really want to trim my hair? This is what I have to look forward to. If you want to do a ponytail but you can't do a low one yet, definitely try out a high ponytail. Game changer for me. A fun way to accessorize a high ponytail is by using something like this. It's a bobby pin, but it has accessories on it. I'm using pearls. Just open it up and stick it in your ponytail close to your hair elastic. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you got some inspiration from it. I'm really excited to be styling my hair again like I did back in the day. Don't forget to subscribe because next Friday's video is going to be my 3 years locked update. I have some fun things to update you guys about, so stay tuned. Also follow me on Instagram. I just made a TikTok, so if you want to follow me on TikTok as well, I'll put that in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.